Just put a bag on the fan, and you will be surprised by the result. You've been cleaning your fan the wrong way your whole life and didn't even know it. Find out how to clean it in under a minute. If you spend a lot of time scrubbing to clean your fan, you're wasting time. Never use those laundry brushes because they'll ruin the plastic. And certainly not dish sponges. These materials are extremely harmful to the fan's plastic structure. They scratch, wear, and even crack over time. Learn the correct, super fast, and effective way to clean your fan without disassembling it, scrubbing, or exerting any effort. Never waste time again. Your fan will be as good as new. So, let's get started with today's tip. First, fill a container with warm water, okay? You'll understand why soon. Once done, add a spoonful of toothpaste. Don't forget to leave your city below. Ideally, mix well until the paste is completely dissolved. That's why warm water is so important. It makes the process easier. Once the toothpaste is well diluted, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap. The brand and type can be whatever you prefer. This mixture is extremely powerful for cleaning fans as it removes all dirt easily without the need for scrubbing or disassembly. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar and mix everything thoroughly again. You'll certainly thank me for using this mixture, as it makes cleaning fans much easier, especially without having to disassemble them completely for washing. Our mixture is ready. Now simply transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. This will make it much easier and more practical to spread the solution on the fan. And now, I'll show you how to apply it. Grab the fan you want to clean. As you can see, mine is quite dirty, covered in dust, because it's been sitting for a while. Then spray our mixture all over the fan, just like I'm doing. What a practical and quick way to clean your fan, huh? I'm sure every time you cleaned a fan, you had to disassemble all the parts where dust and dirt always accumulated. Now you don't have to do that anymore. After spraying the entire fan, cover it completely with a plastic bag and turn it on to the lowest setting. This prevents dirt and dust from spreading throughout the house. Using this mixture is perfect, especially because of its ingredients, which together easily remove dirt and grime, making it ideal for fans. The process is complete, and look at this incredible result. A clean, like new fan, and most importantly, effortlessly. That's it. Don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this tip. I hope you enjoyed it and be sure to try it at home. You'll love the results. Cheers, and see you in the next video.